Okay friends, next question. This is a somewhat logical question friends. See, using the numbers from 1 to 9, number of ways of forming a 4-digit odd number where 9 should be used exactly once. So this is the very important condition. 9 should be used exactly once, and he is asking us, he has given 9 numbers, he is asking only 4-digit number, and also he is asking odd number, and 9 should be used exactly once. In the sense, 9 can be placed here, 9 can be placed here, 9 can be placed here, and also it can be placed here. So he's asking odd number, right? In order to get odd number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what are the numbers that we should be placed in units digit? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the numbers that should be placed here. But 9 is already used here. So how many ways can be arranged this one? 4 ways. That is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7 can be filled here. In 4 ways I can arrange this one. Here this 9 can be arranged in 1 way. So 2 digits are already filled out of 9. So 7 digits should be filled here. 7 ways, and here 7 ways, here 6 ways. So total number of ways is 1 into 7 into 6 into 4. 1 into 7 into 6 into 4. That is nothing but 6 7 is 42. 42 4 is 168. 168 ways. Now here when 9 is kept here, this is 1 way, and here odd number should come. So these 4 ways. 9 is already used, so 4 ways. Now this is 7 ways and this is 6 ways as usual. So 7 into 1 into 6 into 4 is equals to 168 ways. Next one. Here this is 1 way, and here also 4 ways, right? Yeah. Odd number is 4 ways, and here this is 7 ways and this is also 6 ways. So what is the value here? 7 into 6 into 1 into 4 equals to 168 ways. Here now in this position, 1 way, that's all. 9 is placed here 1 way, so odd number only when 9 is placed in units place. Fine. Now how many ways this can be arranged? 1 digit is filled, so 8 ways are there, 8 numbers are there. Now 8 ways it can be filled, 7 ways now it can be filled, 6 ways it can be filled. So what is the value friends? 8 into 7 into 6 into 1, that is nothing but 6 7 is 42. 42 into 4 168. 168 into 4 is, I think it is, the value is 642 into 8 is 8 to 16, 8 4 is 32, 33, 336. Yes, 336. So what is the total number of values friends? So 8 3 is 24 plus 6 is 30, and it's 6 plus 6 3 6 4 is 24. Okay, next 5 plus 3 8. Total number of ways is 840 ways. Okay, so here in this case he is asking, this is the first condition, that is 4-digit number. Second condition, it should be odd number, and third condition is 9 should be used exactly once. In this question 3 conditions he has asked. So first condition we have kept, and this is the 4-digit first condition. Second condition is odd number we have placed, and third condition is keeping 9 in each place. So in this way we need to move forward. This is a very logical question friends. Practice it thoroughly. Okay. Next concept, sum of numbers friends. There are 4 formulas. Let us see first 2 formulas. Basing on this, a question might get framed. You might have also seen in your intermediate sessions. Sum of numbers formed by taking all the given number of digits excluding 0. This is the concept here. When excluding 0, so sum of numbers formed by taking all the given n digits. When n digits are given, when we have taken all the number of digits and we have arranged every digit in n factorial ways, what is the sum of that n factorial? See, sum of all n digits into n minus 1 factorial into ones should be, the number of ones should be n times friends. So this is the way when excluding 0. When it is including 0, sum of all n digits into n minus 1 factorial into all number of n's n times minus n minus 2 factorial into number of ones n minus 1 times. So basing on this, let us do one problems. Let us do other 2 formulas also. So next one friends, sum of all r digits formed by taking the given n digits. Through n digits, the total number of way arranging is n factorial ways, but here by taking only r digits out of n digits, by taking r digits forming excluding 0 and adding all the r digit numbers, we will get the sum as sum of all n digits into n minus 1 p r minus 1 into all ones up to r times. This is the formula. Next one, sum of all the r digit numbers formed by taking the given n digits including 0 is Here excluding 0 friends, this is including 0, is sum of all n digits into n minus 1 p r minus 1 into 1s up to r times minus n minus 2 p r minus 2 into 1s up to r minus 1 times. Okay friends, these 4 formulas are very important. Let us do a problem on these formulas. Okay, see friends, find the sum of all 4 digit numbers that can be formed using 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. So we have to arrange from these 5 numbers, we have to arrange 4 numbers. That is, here this is n equals to 5 and r equals to 4. Fine. Okay, fine. Now without repetition he is asking. So, okay. So without repetition in the sense, see, I think it is sum of digits into n minus 1 p r minus 1 into 1 up to r times, right? So fine, this is the formula. Okay, what are the sum of the digits? 1 plus 3, it's 4, 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 into n minus 1, that is nothing but 5 minus 1 p 4 minus 1 into r is repeated 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 into 5 minus 1, 4 p 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. No, this is NCR, right? This is 4p3. That is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1s. So 25 into, this is 24, is nothing but into 4 ones. This is nothing but 600, 600 into 4 ones. That is nothing but, so what is the value of 600 into 4 ones, friends? So 66600. So this is the answer. So the answer is 6,66,600. So in the sum of all the 4 digit numbers by forming out of these 5 numbers is 6,66,600 friends. So in this way we apply these formulas. Okay. So the remaining 3 formulas also you can apply in this similar procedure. Okay. So next topic friends, palindrome. Palindrome in the sense, see friends, a number or a word which reads same either from left or right, from right to left is called a palindrome. Palindrome in the sense, whether you read it from here, this side, or whether you read it from this side, both should be same. ATTA, ATTA, right? Next, rotor, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, etc. These are called palindromes, friends. And the important formula is the number of palindromes with R distinct letters. R distinct letters that can be formed using n distinct letters. So we are having n letters. From n letters we have to use only R distinct letters, so that how many palindromes can be formed? If R is even, then n power R by 2. If R is odd, n power R plus 1 by 2. Okay friends, if suppose in the palindrome 0 is there, suppose in these cases, so R distinct digits using n digits including 0 is n minus 1 into n power R minus 2 by 2 where R is even, and n minus 1 into n power R minus 1 by 2 when R is odd. So these are the important formulas. Basing on this, let us do few problems. Okay, friends, let us see this question. The number of palindromes using 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So the number of digits is number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here he has given us n equals to 5 and r equal to 6 digits. Right friends? So how many palindromes can we arrange? See, since r is even number, we have n power r by 2. This is the formula, right? So 5 power 6 by 2, that is nothing but 5 cube, which is 125. Right friends? So this is the way. So the number of palindromes using 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are 125. So next one friends, the number of palindromes using 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 0 to 468. Here 0 is including, right? So 0 is including in a sense, here r equal to 6. What is the value of n? N equals to 5. So n equal to 5, r equal to 6 friends. When 0 is included and r is even, so this is even. So in the including case, what is the formula friends? N minus 1 into n power r minus 2 by 2. Am I right? So n means n minus 1 is into 5 power 6 minus 2 by 2. That is nothing but 4 into 5 power 4 by 2 to 2 is 4. That is nothing but 4 into 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 25. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. So there are 100 palindromes using 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 0 to 468. This is the case of including 0.